bidding. So this stage is, much more commonly used than the first two stages, but this is where you're going to, create and move your contact stage to bidding. You're going to complete different property details in Aspire, like measurements and scope. You're going to document any site notes and put things in tasks for follow-ups. You're going to link the property that you're bidding on to your contacts, and you're going to ensure that data is really complete so that you can create your estimates. And so, the opportunity tracking and that linkage to contacts is really a core piece and already mostly set up in Aspire, unless you need some individual custom fields. But again, the advantage and the power to it is by making sure you carry forward that contact that you initially had from your lead generation, creates a consistent data set that as you track your opportunities going forward, you can go back and see what worked and what didn't. And so most folks use the opportunities tab because you have to create wins, to create work tickets. So this is a very commonly used screen. So let's just keep going.